Very good morning. Today is September 16th, and the time is at about 6:15 or 6:20, I think. And today I thought I will quickly do this recording. The reason is at about 8:30 I'll not be at home, so there is a interview, not a job interview, but a YouTube channel interview that is planned at about 11 o'clock. So to beat Bangalore traffic, the only way to reach the destination is a bit early. So I'll be leaving at about 7:15 or so, and that's the reason I thought I'll quickly record this video before I reach there. And anyway, this will be available at about 8:30 a.m. I believe. And only thing is, I'll not be able to do live chat. Reason is I'm not live at that point of time. But I think this is I'm going to cover pretty much everything that I would be doing generally. But if you have any things, do DM me in Twitter, or you can also do comment section in the YouTube, so that when I get time, I will be able to really look at and then reply. So that's main intention. So today is definitely mid-cap Nifty expiry. So mid-cap Nifty looks quite positive to me, and the only worry I have is, at least from the trading perspective, as an investor, I will never have any worry if any of these indices go up. But mid-cap Nifty is all-time high, so we need to be a bit cautious if you're trading. So usual all-time highs, they would be sold out. So we can actually see here, which is all-time high, which was sold out. There was definitely gap up, and then it actually got sold out, and you can also see here. But then Nifty did not happen on Friday. There was some bit of a sell-off, but it's not a very massive sell-off. So I just want to be cautious around that. But I think when it comes to mid-cap Nifty, it's very straightforward. Open this and then... So I'm going with the 15-minute candle. 15 minutes right now, it seems to be quite bullish in nature, with the probability of close to 91% correlation. So mid-cap Nifty, 15 minutes, it actually shows about 13,392 rather. And then on the top, it actually shows 13,477 or so. And I would think anything 13,000, below 13,500, that's what I think. If somebody's trading, that would be the right number to really look at. And also, as I said, expiry trades are quite tricky. So do not believe these numbers blindly. And as soon as the market opens, you should be able to really take a call on that. So the highly probable, it actually shows about 13,400, not the 430 as I said earlier. And let's also try a few other variations. 10 minutes also seems to be all right, which is about 13,455, which is about 86. And let's 15 minutes is... sorry, I think we should probably stick to 10 minutes. The 15 minutes right now. So let's stick to 10 minutes. 10 minutes actually shows 13,455, and then the top is at about 13,526. Bottom, I'm not much worried, but today I wouldn't be really putting any bets on the put side, but mostly on the call side. That's which I will do. And also, I think I'm going to significantly reduce the day trading capital. So I will probably focus more on the positional. I think that's the main plan for at least this week, and then see how it goes. So overall, this week I'm profitable, except Angel Broking, as I said, got into net zero. I think I did share in my previous conversations. But today I will not spend some time on Angel Broking, but I will, on the positional trades, but definitely I'll spend some time on the mid-cap Nifty, and then because also time is also not there much. So when it comes to, let's say, economic calendar or some of the events, I mean, there are not many significant events, and China, I don't think we would be much worried at this point of time. And but India perspective, WPI inflation, which is actually coming, I think, later today in the evening, afternoon. I think this is in the market is up technically. So this inflation is basically the wholesale prices inflation, right? So it will give us some good sense of what is happening. But just remember, this is a wholesale price inflation, not the retailer type of inflation. Usually this is a little lesser than what we typically see in front of our eyes. So just be aware. But generally, some of these things I not seen having a significant impact on trading or the market itself. So that's the thing. So when it comes to my positions, Nifty, I'm still carrying the overnight. I mean, some of the overnight positions I've opened earlier. Just that I have increased my PE positions here. So this is how this payoff chart would look like at this point of time. I do have the coverage till 25,600, but beyond that I'll get into losses. And bottom side, I do have coverage till 25,100. So this is expiry of about September end. So I still got a lot of time to really deal with this. And when it comes to mid-cap Nifty, similar kind of a story. But then mid-cap Nifty is a little bit easy. And also I tried something which is little experimental here. So I'm at heavy loaded positions on the 13,450 and also have some positions on the 13,500 PE. This is, as I said, this is not my natural tendency to do. And usually I also will have heavy loaded positions on the PE. But this is just to protect the downside risk in case if the market, sorry, apologies. It is actually to protect the upside risk in case if the market actually goes against me, against the CE. This is going to give us some benefit out there. But then having said that, if it actually crosses above 13,450, I would be getting into losses. So that point of time, in case if there is a up move, I would keep on selling this 13,500 PE. You might actually argue why I did not do 13,450 PE. The reason was originally when I started this, I was at the 13,500 CE. I made some money on Friday and then I have eventual moved, but I did not move this. So I will probably make that change today, depending on how the market actually moves. I think these are all the two positions that I have. And yeah, I think the mid-cap Nifty for now, as I said, if it goes up, I think I'm okay. I will be a bit happy, but at the same time, if it is too much up, then I'll be a bit concerned. But if it is falling down, I'm not much worried at all because I have a protection at the PE side. And I will keep selling the CE in case if there is a fall. So that's what which I will do. And morning, as I said, I can only trade till about 10:30. Beyond that, I will have to close out because that's where the interview would start. So I think that's all from my end for now. And beyond this, I do not have anything to share except probably we'll spend some. Okay, sorry, I forgot to quickly take you through the open interest. So open interest for mid-cap Nifty. Open interest for mid-cap Nifty, yeah, 13,500 seems to be quite a bit of resistance. And then you also have 13,400. Our positions are somewhere here, 13,450. So there is some kind of a protection here. Calls are about 15 lakhs. And then you also have the one more 15 lakhs or 14 lakhs. And then here you have the massive positioning, which is about 21 lakhs. I think the probability of mid-cap Nifty breaking this would be quite low. So as of now, my trading strategy would be below 13,500 CE or selling the 13,500. So that's the trade that I would do. I think that's pretty much straightforward, as I said. But when it comes to Nifty, definitely the highest resistance is 26,000. So I think this would probably stay for this month. Then this is also very evidently, this is also the position that I have. So Nifty definitely 12,600. So in fact, my angel broking right now, I have positions here. I think I'm going to stay here. The reason is even if the market goes up, I'm absolutely all right because that's going to be probably 1 or 2%. So that's going to have some positive impact on my portfolio. I'm okay to do a covered call any day. That's the reason. And when it comes to Nifty, let's look at what's happening. So there was definitely the surprise on Thursday. I know pretty much most of the traded sued last minute, especially the sellers. But let me get on to one-day chart here. So one-day chart definitely looks bullish, except there is some bit of a bearish move on Monday. Friday. But I think this is not a very strong bearish move and this is still hovering around this particular line. So we would stick to this particular channel for some more time. And I'm still tracking to, let's say, take it as September 26th, right? So this is still below 26,000 at this point of time. So even if there is some up move or down move, I would not be much worried, but I am going to stick to this 26,000 right now. I'm not planning to do a lot of PE, but then I might, at least in the positional trade, I might want to do some PE down the line. But right now, at least this 1 or 2 days, I will watch out and then see what could be the trend of the market. In case if it actually goes a little bit up, I might actually sell some more CE positions and then see if you can make some profit out there. I think that's all. That's all for today. And I know this is not a live stream, but I thought I'll quickly do it. And then if you have any feedback or the comments, please do put across in the comment section. I think that's all. Have a great remaining day. Bye-bye.